Here's how to say what you made in Igbo using three simple structures. Number one, Emere dash. I made dash. Emere njem. I made a trip. I traveled. Emere isim. I made my hair. Emere pizza. I made pizza. 2. Imere dash. Did you make dash? Imere njem. Did you travel? Imere isigi. Did you make your hair? Emere pizza. Did you make pizza? And our final phrase is Gini ki mere. What did you do? Gini ki mere. And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Emerem dash njem isim pizza. You can replace this with the name of any other food, and you can look in the caption to see other things you can say instead of these. Quick question. If someone said to you, Emere njem, did you travel? How would you say, no, I did not travel? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.